Hey YouTube, just doing a little quick video on a recent acquisition. It's a Steyr AUG. And I already did some modifications to it. I put a N-Force, see if it'll show up, N-Force flashlight. I got it mostly just so I can do this. Makes it easier to manipulate it than some of the Surefires and our lights. This particular model is the I don't know if you'll be able to see it. It's on the other side. Is the 3-power version of the Swarovski scope. I don't know if it'll. Yeah, it won't show up on the camera. But it's a neat bullpup. All kinds of interesting little features like these Waffle magazines. And of course the quick change barrel feature. And of course the folding foregrip, but it's almost always going to be down when I'm using it. And you got a bolt release similar to an AR-15. If it will decide to work for me. Maybe. I'll lock it open again just so you can see it. And also put a cheapo sling on this thing. And the last modification, I put this little rubber brass deflector on here because from what I'm looking at online, when the brass ejects, it could chew up the stock, so I'm hoping this prevents that from happening. And this is the safety. You manipulate like this. And on the other side, goes back that way. So, quick manipulate, like, bang. Again. And as for what you get with this rifle, you get the rifle, one 3-round magazine, the manual, which is pretty decent manual, and it comes in a simple cardboard box. This is sort of what the inside of it. This is all stuff that they mostly packed around the scope to protect it in travel. And of course, they got this thing on top to tell you what it is, but they didn't check mark any of them. But for the price you pay for a Steyr AUG, you would think you would get more than one magazine. I'd expect to get at least 3 or 4 of these. But whatever, I guess. You also got rail sections here, 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 and the one here the flashlight's on top of. I think another modification we get is the enlarged magazine release as well to make mag changes a little bit easier. It's very compact and pretty handy. And pretty easy to hold up one-handed for extended periods of time. Way to blind you? Also, it's a strobe mode, but but yeah, I think this will be my practical use rifle for now on. I just gotta finally get around to the range to get this zeroed and see what it's like. But anyway, just a quick little, short little video just showing you I got Austria's space rifle to go along with my German space rifle, the SL8. So, have a nice day.